Deathscyp here from YCG, your casual gamer. So today we'll be covering the aesthetic meshes inside our level. We're just going to set up maybe a few scones on the wall, a little lamp, a table, and a few doors. Also, we'll be building a collision for the door so that we don't walk through it. You're going to understand what I'm talking about in a few seconds. And this is what it should look like at the end. Let's get started. Alright, we're back. So now you have your static mesh ready over here, and we're inside the scene that we've been creating for the last few videos. So most of the time when you're gonna import your meshes inside Unreal Engine, you might come across some issues with the collisions, maybe with the light. Most of the time maybe the collision. So per se, if I grab the door over here and I put it in the level, you're gonna see there's no collision to it yet. What I mean by collision is that it's not gonna interact, or it's not gonna block anything or have any value for other than being visible inside the level. If I press play and I press F2 because I can't see anything right now, if I step towards it, I'm gonna step through it, and I don't have any superpower yet, so that shouldn't be happening. So I'm going to press escape. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to double click on the door over here. And now we're inside the static mesh editor. And as you see over here, when it says number of collision primitive, there is no, it says 0. So there's no collision. That's what you want to add. Okay, I know you see a lot of things over here, but I'm not going to go through everything. If you need more detailed explanation on each little individual here, I suggest you go check the Unreal Engine massive tutorial series or the Virtuous education videos. So we're gonna go on the tab on top of here and click on collision. And I know there's many, you can try to add any of these if you want to try them out off video, but for my video I'm just going to use the box over here, and there you go, simple collision to the mesh. You see it's a little bit out of bound. If you really want to be precise and you're anal like me, you're going to grab the edges over here and you're going to set the scale for the scale snap to the lowest setting. That way when I click on the collision and I go on scale, I can really be precise on what I want. You see now I'm really covering only the door, and I'm pretty happy with that. I don't care much for the handle. I'm going to click on save, and we're going to exit the static mesh editor. Now if I press play and F2 because I want to be able to see, now I'm going to try my superpower and try to go through the door, but hey, it doesn't work because now I've set a simple collision to it. So escape. Now we're going to start populating our level. Just before that, I'm going to just scale it to fit the door frame. You're going to see, since all my door frames are the same, it's going to be pretty easy to copy them everywhere. Just holding, if we go on the directions and just holding Alt and drag, you're going to be able to drag a new copy of the door to the other side, just like that. Very simple. And that's the kind of method I'm going to use just to add everything to the level. So that's it. Let's say I grab this and I want to put it to the wall. I'm just going to turn it 90 degrees, and you can look from up here and you can just set it up just to be able to see the light if you want to. If you don't want to see a light, I'm okay like that. And using that method, I'm just going to add props all over the place. So enjoy and try to follow. see, I'm stuck between those four walls. So that's perfect. So now you know that we're going to be working on blueprints soon, so that we are able to get out of the room and walk freely inside our level. I press escape. Next video, we're going to work on lighting. We're going to add post-process volume, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the post-process volume just concerning the lights, and we're going to add some light so that we can finally see around the level when we get in. And then I think that's it for all the boring stuff. So now we're going to get inside blueprints afterward. So thank you for watching, and hope I see you for the next episode.